Travel days are always special, but this one is extra meaningful because I get to share it with my daughter. From the very start of our preparation, packing our bags, double checking our essentials, and making sure we didn't forget anything. The excitement was already in the air. Off to the airport. Nandiyan na kami sa airport. No? Airport moments always feel magical to me. The anticipation, the movement, the feeling that something wonderful is about to happen. Ayan, nandiyan na kami sa airplane, enjoying the view. Ayan, malapit na kaming nakarating. Maglalanding na ang airplane. Grabe ang Manila. Napaka-crowded. Ayan ang mga beauties. Mascareñas beauties nakarating na sa Manila. Sige pa, video niya. Ayan, going to our hotel. Of course, no travel is complete without good food. We enjoyed dining at restaurants, sharing meals, stories, and smiles. So every bite felt like a celebration of our time together. Simple moments like this are my happiest moments. Ayan, Japanese food muna kami ngayon. Ayan. Gutom na kami. We have ramen, sushi. Grabe, nagutom. Ang gwapang tiulang. So after a full day, we checked in at Resorts World Manila, feeling grateful and excited for what's next. Okay, the ambience, the lights, and the energy of the place made everything feel even more special. Ang ganda ng aming room, napaka-social. Sweet room. Okay, so overlooking the ocean. Yeah, itutur ko kayo sa room namin. Ayan si Ate Queen, si Tita Queen, and her daughter. Okay, so siya yung nag-book sa amin. Of course, we contributed also half. Ayan yung room namin. So that's the ref. Ayan, makuklose yan, no? May door yan. Okay. Dalawa lang kasi good for two lang ito na room, pero malaki yung bed so that it can be shared by two. Pero ang mahal-mahal nito. Ilan ang per night nito? I think 13K per night. So yan ang aming comfort room. Sa shawl, diba? Yes. Hindi yan na-edit. Ayan. Enjoy kami dyan. So, overlooking the ocean. AA is preparing for the food. This time, Chinese food naman. Treat ni Tita Queen. So, while we are preparing, naka-prepare na sila Tita Queen. Ang ganda-ganda niya. And of course, the highlight of our nights, watching Les Miserables at Soleil Resort and Casino. Seeing Les Miserables come to life on stage was fully unforgettable. The music, the emotions, the powerful performances, it was a masterpiece. Sharing that experience with my daughter and my friend, Tita Queen and her daughter, okay, made it even more meaningful. It was indeed a memory we will treasure forever. Grabe. Ayan. Bawal man mag-video during the performances, so the curtain call na lang ang allowed, no? So, majority of the performers are foreigners. Only few are Filipinos. So, major cast that are Filipinos, si Rachel Ann Go and Lea Salonga. And there are two Filipinos who are part of the major cast. Ayan. Iba talaga. This is a world-class performance. No? Even their orchestra. So, puro mga foreigners ang nag-play. Mga professional musicians. And I like the stage, no? Imagine, ang orchestra nasa taas, just on top, facing us, facing the audience. Okay, you can see everything. You can see all the angles. Ang galing pagka plano. Okay, yung mga camera, no, are also being used as props. Imagine, pwede din sila doon mag-perform sa taas, no? Moving cameras. Ayan, ito yung mga orchestra. So, maraming parts dyan na umiyak si AA. Naiyak din ako kasi umiyak si AA. Ganun ka-importante. Ganun siya avid fan ng Les Miserables. Kasi syempre, part siya ng cast ng Les Miserables during her high school days. May Broadway sila on stage. So, AA is a lover of Broadways kasi during high school, from first year to fourth year, they always have yearly musical stage. That's part of their literary yearly events. So yun, no? From preparation to performance, from airport rush to theater rush, this day reminded me that the best journeys are the ones shared with the people we love most. So I really love this vacation with AA. Just actually, we started January 22. The Les Miserables is January 22 evening. We arrived at that day. And then, yeah. So, I proceeded to Thailand in January 24, Saturday, and AA went home also on that day in the afternoon of 24. So I went to the airport earlier because our flight to Thailand is in the morning. Ayun, you see the spirit after the Les Miserables. Ang saya-saya, ang sarap ng feeling. Ayun. Ito yung mga unforgettable experience ko sa Resort World kasi we just ordered breakfast online and then we have to pick the food outside the Resort World. So I was reprimanded by the guard because I just wore slippers of the hotel. Okay, so yun, sabi ko, buti na lang in-excuse nila ako kasi nakala nila outsiders lang. Yun, so nag-opalite TikTok kami ni AA. Video. Mataas mo pala ito. Dapat i-delete ko ito. Uy, tama na. Hindi ko na-delete. Ayan, nag-lunch na kami. Ang panalunan namin sa casino. Binayad namin dyan sa lunch namin, di ba? Pinasaya kami kasi pinanalo kami. Ayun. So, ito yung restaurant nila. Just beside the casino. Ayan. Yan ang casino. Kalaki-laki ng casino nila. So, from afar lang ako nagkuha. So, enjoy na kayo dyan sa mga still pictures namin. Bye!